to my channel, The Makeup Phase. So today we are doing the November unboxing. So if you have not seen any of my videos before, I get now 2 subscriptions. I get 1 to Boxycharm and 2, the second one is for Sephora Playbox. So I am super excited to see what I received. There was a lot of killer items that were coming and through the sneak peeks, so I am uber excited to try these new samples out. So we are going to start with Boxycharm. Now surprisingly, I was kind of amazed that I got my boxes so early. I assume it's because of the holidays, because they are so rapidly approaching. It is ridiculous. So Boxycharm was, the theme is Gold Digger. Gold Digger. A little different, as you can see. So I am loving this. I don't know if you guys saw the tweets or the Instagram post, but I thought it was super fantastic when they were talking about mentioning your goals and what you were working towards, because you know, at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. It's working towards something and accomplishing something. So I love that. I am definitely a goal digger. So starting with the first one, it says Coverfx Glitter Drops in Nova. So here is the box. And let's open it. Ooh, look how cute. There is nothing but gold shimmer here. So this is ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. Alright, so I'm opening this up. Look how cool this is. Zoom out a little bit so you can see that here, and I'm just about to look at that gorgeous shimmer. Look at that. Oh my god. How incredible. And it's so pigmented. You look at that. Just, that's incredible. Super pigmented. Alright, so awesome. Loving this. Cannot wait to use it. Oh, and side note, if you haven't noticed, yes, I am rocking some new hair. So I definitely wanted to do something very fun and kind of crazy for the holidays and just kind of bring in something new for the new year, you know. I've been going through a lot of things in my own personal life, so I feel like this is such a great change, and a great change in myself, and just a great way to kind of welcome 2019. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, let me know. Alright, so next one is Ace Beauty. I think that's how it's pronounced. And this is the Grandoise palette. And I am so far loving this darkness. I am super sucker for great packaging. And look at these gorgeous colors. Oh my god. So it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmery glittery shades and then 4 matte. So this is so perfect because this is like great for not only creating like a really great like creative look, but also something for neutral, because there's a lot of great neutral colors as you can see here. So if you're not very adventurous, like this is a perfect palette for anybody. And I cannot wait to dig in here. I am so excited about this. Cannot wait, cannot wait. Alright, so next on the list is Luxie. So I'm getting 4 shadow brushes, if I can open them up. Oops. god, so they are super glittery down here. Like, how can you not love this? So this is what they look like. So again, perfect for the shadows. You got a little bit of an angle brush, you got two little baby smudge brushes, and another shadow brush. So all great and all perfect, and definitely something I can use. Alright, next on the list is Jonteblu. I really don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is the Glittery Star Eyeliner. So this is what it is, and this is in black. So it looks like a normal pencil. I'm gonna try and put this on. So that's what it looks like. It has a slight little glitteriness. I'm not big on the pencil part of it. I really like gel liners better, but it's not bad. I mean, I played around with this brand before and I really like their pencils, but again, I prefer a gel liner over a pencil any day. And then my last one is, of course, something that is my favorite. It is lashes. So this is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And that one is Instaglam. So let's take a look at these gorgeous beauties, which they are definitely Instaglam, and I cannot wait to try them out. So that concludes Boxycharm, and I am super blown away. I love this Gold Digger starter pack. So this is awesome. I am super loving this box. So far they've been solid across the board and I can't really complain. I'm loving everything that Boxycharm has done, and I'm so excited for next month. So if again you haven't listened to any of my other like unboxings, I did sign up for the Boxylux. I'm getting my first one in December, and I cannot wait to show you guys because it looks like a really awesome box. So now moving on to Sephora. Let's open up this large pamphlet of things. So this is called Merry and Bright. So again, not loving this. I really dislike this. I think it just makes it look really cheap, but whatever. So first on the list is Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Microfinishing Loose Powder. So I'm gonna open this up. Maybe one day I can get it. Little baby pot. So this is good for finishing those great looks, setting everything. So a shine reducing finishing powder that blurs the look of imperfections. Next one is Ceramidin. And it looks like a cream. By Dr. Jart Plus, a rich moisturizer that improves the appearance of fine lines, flakiness, and tightness for smooth skin. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure I messed up the name, but that's okay. It smells good. And it does feel very hydrating. Dries fairly matte, so that's good. And during this winter time, we can always use hydration. All right, so next one on the list is the Moroccanoil. And this is Protect and Prevent Spray. So it says here, a leave-in conditioner that prevents color fading and brassiness, which is something I need. Looks like a typical spray. right, and now for some lip products. This is the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain Lipstick in Pink Tea. And this is the smallest like little sample ever. So let's see what this looks like. This picture on here is so deceiving. It makes it look so much bigger than what it is. Right, like a really deep mauve color, as you can see. It's not bad. Definitely good for fall. If it wasn't so tiny. Alright, so next we have Clinique, and this is Pep Start Eye Cream. It's a little baby thing. Skin in an instant, and I love anything that brightens and tightens. So it definitely looks like a great hydrator. I know you can't see anything, but it feels good. It definitely would be something I would put on at night. And then finally our Tory Burch, and this is Just Like Heaven. Try it out. So it's not my favorite of the Tory Burch scents, but I think if you let it wear, it'll smell better. Definitely in little doses. It can have like it's slightly a little powdery, which I don't like. But that is everything. That's everything from Sephora. Come close to topping Boxycharm, but it's okay. So this concludes my unboxing. There are a lot of great products, and if there's any things that you guys got that was different, please let me know. I would love to know what exciting things you got in your boxes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me comments, love them all. Don't forget to subscribe. Always follow me on The Makeup Phase and connect with me on LinkedIn. I am so excited to hear anything that you guys have, any feedback. If you like videos, if you don't like videos, if you're like, girl, stop with all your talking, I can do that too. Love it all. So until next time, my loves, have a happy Thanksgiving and great holidays, and until next time, bye my